You know, years ago, the Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals called me and said, Muta, we'd like you to come to our fair and do some poetry. I say, yeah, what kind of fair it is? Them says a barbecue. I say, but in the name of just society, Jamaica Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, and you're having a barbecue, what you barbecuing? I know it's not tofu. The woman smiled and she said, you know, we never think of it that way. This is the Cutting Edge on RFM on next Wednesday. We're there with you. So we are continuing our journey, you know. We're not make them sidetrack from the aim and objective, where we stand for and where we there for and where this program I deal with. The reason why I bring up that is because there's a certain hypocritical notion that is spreading amongst these so-called environmentalists that who claim say them want to preserve life, preserve the animal them. Yet still them the same one who are never have the animal them same way. You love your cat and your dog because you can domesticate the cat and the dog. You love the cow because you can eat him. Now, it's really ironical. It's ironical because if your cat and your dog was as vicious as a lion, and the lion only kills things when it's hungry, human being kills things when they're not hungry. Them just pass a Burger King place and just feel say, boy, you want to eat a burger, you know. And them pass a man with coconut soup and say, boy, I'm going to drink a coconut soup, you know. Them have nothing in them consciousness about the life of the flesh of the animal. So people go in the sea, catch a fish and eat it and say, well, I will eat a fish in the sea. People kill the animal them and I say, well, you know, I'm just kill the animal because they love goat. Slash the goat, neck, throat. Most people who eat meat, even cow, if he must kill the cow himself, he won't eat it and he won't kill it. People only do certain things because it has already been prepared for them. We have said that it's time the so-called environmentalists them recognize, and we are talking about the people who say them are preserve animal, Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals. That cruelty to animals don't mean just cat and dog, because you can't make them jump up in your bed and you give them milk or you give them dog food and them things. Cruelty to animals means say you have slaughterhouse that is rampantly killing animals to put on your dining table. What a thing when the animal decides that they're going to broke out. You can imagine that. You can imagine the animal decides they're going to organize. There's a movie named The Birds. And people get scared of the birds because the birds them start to attack people. And them couldn't stop it. There's a movie named Ben, where Michael Jackson sing about Ben. There's a rat man sing about. Where Ben, the man who owned Ben named Willard, him have two rats, Socrates and Ben. And him start to want to get rid of them. And them just say, oh yeah, them just organize, and that was the end of Willard. We are saying, what is it that is driving human beings to be so passionate to eat animals? Because them don't domesticate it. They are not domesticated. And they tend to want to preserve the life of them dog. You have some people kill people over dog. Poodle and all this Rottweiler. And the Rottweiler supposed to secure your house. The cow not going to preserve your house, not the goat. So you choose the boy right now, this is the one to eat and this is the one not to eat. Who choose that? Who choose that? If nature wanted you to eat the animals them would make it with foot and eyes that them can run from you. So we are saying, we don't think say people should eat things where can run from you, can see you and run from you. Me feel say we have the natural herbs and the plants them. We don't run from you. We feel say the source of our energy must come from things that is not flesh like we. Because them feel pain same way. Them feel hurt same way. If you ask when a dog don't say master or behave, when a cat see the master, them jump up and just feel good. A cow, goat, if you should domesticate a cow and a goat, it would have to do the same thing. Just like how some people domesticate pig. Yet still people eat pig, and you have people, cuss people who eat pig. Why don't eat the pig? Why people don't eat pig? Because of some biblical manifestation of some writing. When the pig is an animal too, 4 foot, 2 eyes, and all these things, I think we should respect the life of all creatures on earth. Those that are domesticated and those that are in the wild. And stop playing hypocrite and talking about you belong to an association that prevent cruelty to animals. What is the cruelty to the animals that you're preventing? And the one that you eat? Why is it that some is eaten and some is domesticated? When you go to China, them eat dog. And if you see a man eat dog out, you know, it's like a madness. You have people eat things where we don't eat, and you have things where we eat where people don't eat. In a certain country, they don't eat pig. People see it as a terrible thing for that. But we advocate the prevention of cruelty to animals. All animals.